Hi everyone! Hope you all are staying safe at home. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper butterfly. Origami paper is better for this craft, but since we're on lockdown, I only have construction paper. If you are using construction paper, you will need one extra step to make it a square. Let's get started. If you have construction paper, the first step is to fold it this way, but make sure the tip is still pointy. The next step is to cut it across. Now open it and then fold it the other way. Open it again and fold it from side to side. And do that again. Now you should have something that looks like this. After making all the folds, you should get a design like this. Now, let's start. Open it and fold it in half, like this. And then open it again and fold it in half the opposite way. Now, you have to push in one side of the rectangle and do that to both sides, so you should get something like this, and then fold it in half like this. As you can see, this side of the triangle is closed and this side has 4 layers. So now it's time to decide our wing shape. There are 2 shapes you can decide from. The first one is this one, which is a rounded wing. And the second one is this, a sharp wing. I'm going to do the rounded one. To make the rounded wing, you need to cut it across this line. So, about that much. So now I'm going to cut it. After you cut it, it should look like this. And then you can open it. After you open it, there should be 2 layers on each side like this. And you fold the front layer like this. So let me just fold it. So both of the front should come like this. So I'll just fold the other side. And now those are the bottom wings. Now with the extra, you just pull it up like this. And you fold it over like this. And then from the back, there should be a fold right here. You can just squeeze that together like that. And there, it's a butterfly. Voila! So, since this is construction paper, it's thicker than origami paper, so it might not hold together as well. So you might want to glue down this tab. I'm going to use some hot glue. And I'm just gonna put it on the tab, like that, and then fold it down. And look, it stays together now. Okay, Now, my favorite one is this one, because it's the tiniest, and as you can see, you can make them in all different sizes depending on the size of paper you use. As you can see, I have stuck some butterflies on this bottle, and they're made out of some pages of a magazine. This is nice decor. Hope you enjoyed my video and make many more butterflies. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye! Thanks for watching!